everyone, our team has been given a task to help the company to overcome the industrial challenge by introducing a new product into our catalog. We were asked to find an existing product that have potential to be marketed by 2022. Then, we need to come up with a proposal to alter the production of the product so that it can be competitive with others. Hence, we chose a traditional music called sompoton that is originated from Sabah. Sompoton is a traditional music instrument that belongs to the Dusun and Murut community in Sabah. It consists of two major components, namely the bamboo pipes and music chamber. This music instrument is a handmade product, thus required a lot of time to produce a single unit. However, we believe that this product is very marketable if we are able to produce it in a larger scale.
To introduce a new product into market, a new production line needs to be created. Our main goal for this production line is, first, to maximize the automation level as we're using smallest numbers of laborers. Second, we maximize the production rate by using the most advanced equipment that's available in the market today. Thus, this is our plan layout proposal.
In this manufacturing plan, we are applying a cellular layout in our production line with several workstations. There are 8 sections in the production line. First, storage section. There are 2 storage required, which is storage for the raw materials and the storage for the final product. Both storage are located at the side of the production line. This place selection is important to ease the loading and unloading of the raw materials and final product, and at the same time will not distract the production line. Second, machining section. Basically, the machining section is divided into 3 substations, which is drilling section, cutting section, and carving station. All these stations located nearest to the raw materials to ease the intake of the raw materials. Next, we have the cleaning section, drying section, assemble section, heating section, testing section, and packaging section. In the manufacturing plan, we also allocate a few racks for the inventory that needed during the manufacturing, such as the power tools, materials handling equipment such as plastic crate, and also other related tools. The rack is located at the side of the manufacturing plant to avoid congestion. We also designed the plant layout with several exits that is located at the side of the plant. This exit is important in case of emergency. 2 specific exits located at the storage area to ease the loading and unloading materials from the truck and to the truck. For ventilation, we have windows along the wing of the manufacturing plant. This window also aims to increase the lighting levels in the plant. We also have enough spaces for the workers to roaming around and work in a comfort.
The process of producing a single unit of sompoton took a very long time by using traditional methods. Third, by utilizing modern equipment, we can cut down the time of the production. In a huge scale, the production of sompoton involves machining, cleaning, drying, assemble, heating, testing, and packaging. Machining is the crucial stage in the whole process. It is the heart of the whole production line. Different components of sompoton require different machining process. There are 3 different machining processes involved, which is cutting, drilling, and carving. All these three processes are done manually with the help of power tools and equipment. The bamboo cut into specific length before drill. The carving process only applies to the dry guard, which serve as music chamber. After the machining done, the raw materials transport to the cleaning section. This process is done to remove the stand and dust that produced during earlier process. Then, it moved to the drying chamber. Drying process carried out using high-frequency vacuum machine to ensure that the bamboo will not crack. Both cleaning and drying are done automatically by machine. Assembly process then takes place. A proper sequence of assembly needs to be followed to avoid complication throughout the process. First, a chip pump inserted to the end of each bamboo pipes. These chips help the bamboo to produce sound and make it harmony. Then, a rattan used to bind all the bamboo pipes together tightly. After that, the bonded bamboo pipes insert to the dry guard through the rectangular hole that met earlier. A slight modification might be needed if the hole is smaller than the bonded bamboo pipes. Finally, the beeswax is applied to bind both bamboo pipes and guard. The beeswax must be applied evenly to ensure the guard chamber is fully sealed. The sompoton is then transported to the heating station via hanger conveyor. The heating process is done semi-automatically. The heating process is done to harden the glue that applied earlier. Finally, the testing and inspection process. This is the simplest but most important process. The worker picks up the product from the conveyor belt that will keep moving at a constant speed. The worker needs to test every single product to ensure it is in a good condition and works perfectly. Once the worker is satisfied with quality of the sompoton, the product is then warped with a bubble and plastic. After that, it relocates back on the conveyor belt to be channeled to the packaging station.
Another important element in the production line is storage system, identification system, and materials transport system. All these components are very vital to ensure the production line runs smoothly. For storage system, we need to choose the most suitable system that can be implemented in the manufacturing plant. A systematic storage system will help to optimize the use of storage area and ease the loading and unloading process. Several aspects need to be considered in order to choose the best storage system, which is the size of the store, the amount of production, and the size of the product. Through discussion and analysis, we decided to choose the pallet rack storage. Since the sompoton packed in a box, this kind of storage system is very suitable. The sompoton is arranged based on the date of the production. To ease the arrangement, an identification system needs to be implemented. Identification systems are used to minimize the risk of mistake in the database, as it can have a severe impact on the production. The identification system that we choose is a barcode system. With the help of barcode system, we have created a virtual storage system which is important for the company record database. Material transport system, on the other hand, play a vital role to speed up the transfer of materials from one station to others. There are several types of material transport equipment that used in the production line. First, hand truck. This equipment is used to carry the raw material inside the storage area. This truck is easy to handle and require a minimum maintenance. It is also compatible with the limited space of storage. Second, plastic crate. Plastic crate is used in between the machining area and the cleaning section to carry the machine materials. This grade is cheaper, has a high durability, lighter weight, and easy to keep. Third, overhead trolley. This overhead trolley installed between the assemble section and the heating section. The overhead trolley carry all the assembled product into the heating machine. This equipment reduces level of workers need to deal with the heat. Lastly, belt conveyor. The conveyor connects the testing section with packaging section. It moves at slow pace to ensure the worker in charge have enough time to inspect and wrap all the final product.